It's time for a short dose of RVs. The 2024 Arctic Fox 1140. This truck camper showcases Northwood's commitment to quality and durability. You'll find features like a fully welded aluminum superstructure, a one-piece fiberglass roof, and a vacuum-bonded floor. The interior boasts residential-grade cabinetry, LED lighting, and a spacious layout. Let's take a quick tour. The 1140 features a sleek new front cap with a two-tone gel coat and a 12-volt power jack. Inside, you'll find a spacious bathroom with a dry bath option, a well-equipped kitchen with a 3-burner range, and a comfortable bedroom with a queen-size bed. The 1140 comes standard with the Fox Value Package, including a rear electric awning, a roof rack, and electric jacks. Optional features include solar panels, a generator, and a variety of entertainment upgrades. Built with durability and comfort in mind, the 1140 is ready for your next adventure. Visit your local Arctic Fox dealer to learn more and schedule a tour. The Euro 25 TB is built on a powerful Ford V8 F53 chassis with larger wheels for a sturdy build and features an impressive Godzilla V8 engine for reliable performance. European-style bus mirrors enhance the visibility for confident maneuvering. The 28-foot motorhome offers ample space with side view cameras for extra visibility. Choose from Sonic Gray or Sonic White with black accents to match your style. A 12-inch inverter with a 5,500-watt generator provides power for your TVs, appliances, and electronics, while a central vacuum cleaning system ensures easy maintenance. Large exterior storage with convenient pass-through and a rear utility area with a dedicated space for your essentials to keep them organized. The Euro 25 TB offers a remarkable towing capacity, allowing you to bring your favorite toys along. An outside shower with various connections and a tankless water heater for efficient hot water supply are conveniently located for rinsing off after a day of adventure. Dual AC units with heat pumps keep you comfortable in all weather conditions, and the driver's and passenger seats feature pull-out computer trays and shades for privacy control. The 25 TB offers theater seating that converts into a comfortable bed, perfect for movie nights or relaxing. A large pull-out storage compartment keeps your gear organized, and the well-equipped kitchen boasts double trash cans, a spacious pull-out drawer, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and a large refrigerator for preparing delicious meals on the go. The full bathroom includes a sink, storage for a spacious shower. The full bathroom features a sink, storage, and a spacious shower for a refreshing start to your day. The rear features a large pantry, a comfortable bed with ample storage, and USB ports on both sides for convenient charging. European-style windows with nightshades and bug screens offer superior light penetration and a rattleless experience on the road for a more enjoyable ride. Dual-ducted AC units ensure efficient and quiet cooling, while a soft-touch ceiling with integrated lighting creates an elegant ambiance. Thick sidewalls provide superior insulation and durability for years of adventure. Visit Coachman RV to learn more about the Euro 25 TB and discover how it can elevate your RV adventures. Today we're diving into the Forest River Rockwood Geo Pro G19 FD, a fantastic option for couples or small families who love to explore. This camper is incredibly versatile. The Murphy bed transforms into a spacious living area, and the kitchen is perfect for whipping up meals. Enjoy breakfast at the dinette or under the 14-foot awning for an al fresco outdoor dining experience. This trailer is built for adventure. It features the larger tires and lift kit for off-road capability, and while the durable construction ensures a smoother ride. Inside, you'll find all the essentials: a 12-volt fridge, a cozy furnace, and roller shades for privacy. For the ultimate off-grid experience, consider the Power Package with solar panels and a powerful AC unit. The GeoPro G19 FD offers a blend of comfort, practicality, and adventure. It's ready to take you on unforgettable journeys. Check out the Forest River Rockwood website and see more about the GeoPros. Today we're exploring the Airstream Interstate 19X, a compact adventure van perfect for those seeking a blend of capability and comfort. The 19X boasts a rugged exterior with a protective body coating and all-terrain tires. The Mercedes-Benz chassis offers both power and efficiency, with options for 4x4 and all-wheel drive. The front end is striking, featuring a robust brush guard with integrated KC lights, a unique exterior coating for added protection. Inside, discover a thoughtfully designed living space. The cockpit features premium Mercedes-Benz seats with heating and memory functions. Enjoy a seamless driving experience with advanced safety features like active distance assist and keep lane assist. The 19X offers a spacious and well-appointed bathroom with a complete wet bath, including a shower and a toilet. The galley boasts ample counter space, a 3.1 cubic foot refrigerator, and an induction cooktop for convenient meal preparation. The rear living area features a flexible storage system.
Here
with
are
a
some
signature
other
Airstream
RV-related
aluminum
videos.
ceiling. Transform the space into a comfortable sleeping area with a queen-size bed. The 19X is equipped with a powerful battery system and optional solar panels for extended off-grid adventures. Experience the freedom of the open road with the Interstate 19X. It's time to explore.
Here are some other RV-related videos.